Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to generate a meeting link using the free version of Teams and how a student or a meeting attendee could join that link. So let's get on to the video. So open your Teams account and select the general channel of your class group. And in order to initiate the meeting, just go to this video camera icon here and click on it. This takes you to the preview window. You can turn on or off your video using this toggle button. You just need to click on this, and once you are ready to go, click on join now. Now you get some options here on how you want to invite people or how you want to share the link. Maybe already you have added the participants to this group, so they are already part of this Teams group. So if that's the case, you don't have to re-add them again. But if you want to send them an additional alert, or you want to alert them through a link, then you get two options. One, either you could click on this copy meeting link. So this link is copied and you can paste maybe in your WhatsApp class, WhatsApp group, or any other groups. Or you could click onto this so that this gets shared via the default email. Even if you copy this meeting link, still I can open up my email and I can send it to my student email addresses. Maybe I can use my email address, and I can paste it using Ctrl+V and just give it a subject. Once you're done, just hit on send. So the participants will receive that email link, and so they just have to click onto that link to join this meeting. So let's see how a student can join this meeting. So the meeting link which the instructor have sent has received the student's email box. Now this is the email, this is the link which the instructor have sent, and the student can copy or just click onto that link. So in my case, I'm just copying this link and I'm pasting it in my browser. And if you have already installed a Teams app in your computer or in your mobile phone, then you can use the third option to join. Or if there is no Teams app installed, then you could still use the continue on this browser option. So, or if you want to download and install a Teams app on your computer, you can go with the first option. To get a better experience, I would recommend you install your Teams app, whether you're joining via your computer or whether you're joining via your mobile phone. So for now, let's see how you can join a Teams session if you don't have a Teams app installed. So I choose the second option, continue on this browser. I click there, and if again same process, if I want to turn on, if a student wants to turn on the camera on, he can turn it on or off by clicking onto this button here, and a student can enter their name. Okay, maybe here it's a test user, or maybe let's say I name it as student 1. Maybe students can join with their microphone on mute. Depends on what each instructor instructs a student on how to join. You should have your own protocols on how you conduct a class. So once you're ready, click join now. So I have switched back to the instructor view, and in the instructor view, as you could see here, I get an alert here or a notification, and if I click here, I can see that a student is waiting at the lobby. So in order to admit this student, I just have to click on this tick mark to admit this participant to this meeting. So once I click this, the student will be admitted to join this class. So this is the instructor view, and as you could see, the student is joined. So let me once again switch back to the student view. You could see that the student has joined to the class and is actively participating. So next, let's see how you can schedule a meeting. In order to do that, tap on this meetings icon in the left hand pane, click here and click on schedule a meeting. Give this meeting a name, maybe first lecture, and set the date, maybe if it's scheduled for 12th, and set your time 4 to 6, 2 hours, and click on schedule. Now you get two options. Either you can share via the Google Calendar, or you can copy this meeting invitation and paste it on the email body and send it to your participants. Or even if you close this, you can still click on this copy invite. Okay, if I click on copy invite and then paste it on the body of your email and send it to your participants and click send. That's it. Same process once again. So they will just have to, the participants will just have to click here to join the meeting. So let's go back, and you click on the three dots, the ellipses, and you get more options to edit this meeting or to delete this and recreate another one. So let's see what all options you get to edit this. So if I edit this, that will take you to the same option. If you want to reschedule this to another time, you can do that, and then click on update. So when it's time for you to join this meeting, you could just navigate to this meeting tab or meeting icon and click on join. So that's how you start the class or start the meeting. So in the latest update of Teams, as you could see here, if whether you manually download the attendance or not, still once you end your class or once you end your meeting, once you leave the meeting, an attendance report will be automatically downloaded and will be seen in the post section. However, I will still recommend, this works fine, but still, if this attendance report is something crucial for you, I would say before you end the meeting, you still just go and download the attendance report. Either way, it works. So this way, a student or a participant who doesn't have an account linked with Teams or Microsoft 365, they still can access a meeting and be part of a class or can be part of a lecture or a meeting.